So you're likely aware that since God willed that Jesus come to us through Mary, and only through Mary, and since that is her greatest design and purpose, all she ever wants to do to magnify the Lord, our going to Jesus happens most perfectly, easily, and fruitfully through Mary. And the best way to do this is total consecration to her, the Immaculate Virgin Mother of God and mediatrix of all graces. There are plenty of videos already made about that. What you may not know is that the two biggest guns out there, Saints Louis and Maximilian, wrote their consecration prayers in the language of the Church and the saints of the West. You guessed it, Latin. Here I intend to teach you St. Maximilian's original Latin consecration formula and St. Louis's suggested Latin daily renewal formulas and what they mean in English. So let's get started. First, what St. Maximilian's consecration formula means in English. Act of consecration to the Blessed Virgin Mary Immaculate. O Immaculata, Queen of heaven and earth, refuge of sinners and our most loving Mother, God has willed to entrust the entire order of mercy to you. I, full name, an unworthy sinner, cast myself at your feet, humbly imploring you to take me with all that I am and have wholly to yourself as your possession and property. Please make of me, of all my powers of soul and body, of my whole life, death, and eternity, whatever most pleases you. If it pleases you, use all that I am and have without reserve, wholly to accomplish what has been said of you. She will crush your head, and you alone have destroyed all heresies in the whole world. Let me be a fit instrument in your immaculate and merciful hands for introducing and increasing your glory to the maximum in all the many strayed and indifferent souls, and thus help extend as far as possible the blessed kingdom of the most Sacred Heart of Jesus. For wherever you enter, you obtain the grace of conversion and sanctification, since it is through your hands that all graces come to us from the most Sacred Heart of Jesus. Allow me to praise you, O Holy Virgin. Give me strength against your enemies. Now, his prayer in the original Latin. Actus consecrationis Beate Mariae Virgini Immaculate. O Immaculata, Caeli et terrae Regina, refugium peccatorum et Mater nostra amorosissima. Tu, cui Deus totum ordinem misericordiae committi voluit, ego, here state your name, indignus peccator, ad pedes tuos me provolvo suppliciter petens, ut me totum et totaliter tamquam rem et proprietatem tuam assumere, et de me, de omnibus potentiis, anime et corporis, de tota vita, morte et eternitate mea, quid tibi magis placet facere digneris. Utaris etiam, si hoc tibi placet, me toto et totaliter ad hoc quod de te dictum est, ipsa conteret caput tuum, et cunctas hereses sola intermisti in universo mundo. Exequendum, ut in tua immaculata et misericordiosissima manu aptum sim instrumentum ad gloriam tuam in tot deviatis ac tepidis animis introducendam et quam maxime augmentandam et ita dulcissimum regnum sacratissimi cordis Iesu quam maxime extendendum. Ubi enim tu intras, ibi et gratiam conversionis et sanctificationis impetras, per tuas enim manus omnes ad nos gratiae ex corde sacratissimo Iesu perveniunt. Dignare me laudare te, Virgo Sacrata, da mihi virtutem contra hostes tuos. But once you've made your total consecration to Our Lady, St. Louis also suggests that we renew our consecration every day with this small Latin formula, Tuus totus ego sum, et omnia mea tua sunt. That is, I am all yours, and all that I have is yours, or literally, all things that I have are yours. And this is taken from St. Bonaventure, his quote, Tuus totus ego sum, et omnia mea tua sunt, O Virgo gloriosa, super omnia benedicta, ponam te ut signaculum super cor meum, quia fortis est ut mors dilexio tua, which, of course, he's rephrasing the Song of Solomon, or Canticle of Canticles, chapter 8, verse 6, which is really beautiful. But it basically means, I'll take you through it piece by piece, Tuus totus ego sum, I am all yours, et omnia mea tua sunt, and all things that are mine are yours. O Virgo gloriosa, O glorious Virgin, super omnia benedicta, blessed above all things. Ponam te ut signaculum, I'll place you as a seal, super cor meum, over my heart. Quia fortis est, ut mors dilexio tua, quia for, or because, fortis est, it is strong. What is strong? Dilexio tua, your love, ut mors, as death. So, for your love is as strong as death. So again, Tuus totus ego sum, et omnia mea tua sunt, O Virgo gloriosa, super omnia benedicta, ponam te ut signaculum super cor meum, quia fortis est ut mors dilexio tua. And he also instructs us to say often, Tuus sum ego salvum me fac. That is, I am yours, save me, or literally, make me saved. This is a great little prayer to pray to Our Lady often throughout the day, as we are hers. And we can trust completely in her to take us to Jesus, to do great things for God's glory, and to save souls. I hope this has been helpful. If it has, please share it, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments if anything particular has helped that you want me to do again, or if there's anything else you think I can do to help you. God bless. Ave Maria, et oremus pro invicem.